event is a telling one. It is testament to what our collectiveness as a Ghanaian people and our resolve as one nation can achieve, irrespective of our partisan political differences. This project that is being commissioned here predates His Excellency the President, but this is one sterling example of how governance as a continuum benefits the ordinary Ghanaian people. And I celebrate the President for continuing this project, $398 million facility.
Please, did you hear Sam George said $389 million project on the constituency? Something that predates the president. Now, idea or no Sam George, any aje say government dear can say government is continuous and kasane tie. Entianka President Kufuor just all these affordable housing no edema mahama any NDC ne Sam George na Sam komu show say omu good government no mu continue, but they didn't. Omu koji Eurojet sikase ye dikosi 5 hospital no na Sam Sam George ni chobo NDC for omu tumi di ye adwuma nanka hospitals ni ye adwuma because government is continuous. Today, Sam George knows to say government is continuous, or there Kufuor ase. Abonabasu say, Adia ye starting in 2016. Na only any das work rasi ye baby. Na do danko Kufuor ba ye. Adu show boy ba ye no. Wabeya complete mende the constituency. Ebe nyaho sebe. Na we NDC ni na wote Prampram. Na wo kon share t-shirt ka kire me say wo MP wo ho ka kire say koto abeti ya MPP when you know say you have seen more development under NPP than this stupid NDC that you have voted for. You have voted NDC all your life. You guys were one of the poorest constituencies in Ghana. Prampram. With all the good things you people had, you were one of the poorest constituencies. And Nanado, somebody who you don't vote for. Your own MP today is standing in public and commending the president he has been insulting for almost 6 years. The president he has been insulting for almost 6 years. Today, all of a sudden, Sam George is praising the president for making government continue come to light. Abanya ye di adwuma hye ne nsa owie onkodi sika no. Nanka government is continuous nanka saglime affordable house na Professor Mills started no na sanka Sam George then the boss John Darega Kronfo Mahama na sanka omo dis kan wie, but they didn't. Today the same people come and sit on radio and TV and lie to you. Now we Ghana ni unkohwem wesum wo de kwaye dia also person dey. Let's continue.
In 2016 had seen completion under his term. Even as we invite the president to come back home and retire with his beautiful Rebecca after his term in 2024, I want to, on behalf of my chiefs and people, tell him that as he comes home, he may use the Afenia road. And it will be important that once we have the roadmaster here who has shown goodwill to the people of this constituency, we will see a face.
Bibli. Ohienti, obiachi bo fruit. Edi aswa ne baba ketwa sa akoda yi nya den akoda yi nkotombra na jama me anya bi dia ye nkwan na omu de adidi akoda yi koya ne nipa boni bi etumi achi akoda na ye ne nyadoa ena akoda na brabo asai akoda bi wo na onimnade kama but efia ukofiri mu me ame cousin bi Deborah onimade kama nanso esanse ne sika ni ho ntino na enso koye maid servant na obiti ne ntesutia obi tietia oba efa ahodie so ye de ne beko schools ye mfa akoda nko school da ebi wo ye tumi di maid servant ye nia na wafa so no wano maduro no waku no because atetia akoda ni komu no edoso. This was the situation of Ghana. Ansa na ye di free education ebe take full flight no na enkoda bi wo ho a wo mokra de sebe wo mo atumi ayeden akọ school na JSS na ye se bi di registration fee keke. Registration fee of Uncle Trony BEC went to Nintino and me no ka say boy ni tikube e di good truck so no de anante na wa yes kube no abokube na aban bi abase san kwada ye Google Street so eni adwuma ye ebi dane armed robbers ebi dane akromfo ebi no dane fraudsters ne ade yi no yemfa se sika na ankananado ne nkrofo ene won mu ewa ban mu ebetena so ede yen girlfriends ne ye boyfriends ne yen nkrofo atutututu kwan no yemfa seska ni bi emma antiata ote bremne sukuma eba education emma papa tongo a ote narirugu eba education emma ayo a ote prampram na yemma akoda bia wom yete bandai samana boy elibo enchi takurade bia let's give them a chance for education says sikano nanka pani bia ono no sie se oye MP otwi V8 ye beche edi because ye too oil wo Ghana so na ye nya so mfa so mo na mo kan yo nya me na make. That is why sometimes some of you, when you come on social media and cover yourself with NDC and you argue blindly, I have no choice but to give it to you strong. These were money, sir. Penny for Florence. They were sharing it among themselves. And unto who the obey yet. Honorable one by then and saying, I will buy for 4 years. No crowd wouldn't win what the S Gracia is no sin in now the parliament in Scabayani to your Honorable Bobisa or buy no sebi naturally what the and no shako parliament and sebi yes one up a came near the Neura parliament. Now Ghana ni rade I didn't know Ghana ni a war tax in your tea ya when you panic lives our life no. You don't question them when they block things here a bebwa also be nebi. MP nisika na ode koto car ne de wa finance minister akwaji aba o koto one block MP no housing allowance no person ode koto flat kama no tenemu kama no luku se MP ne de no one block o mini aba ma mo menya ya adwene na ho MP nisika na sebe wo no ede koto ne car ede koto ne house and clothing allowance no de be dress ya botaya kese ya be kan kwasi asem o TV so no ene de bi eba parliament no one block it. Free education na wo me we yeni a yeni bi e mabeko ne de yenya political party a sorry waka say yempene mane mba na wo di sa party na chi say ye wo to sa party ni munti no enye hwe hwa na ope. Are you people kidding me? The monies that are being used for this free education. Sometimes I ask you people, say, why don't we ask ourselves, say, says can never ho na die na no mo de ye. Mini aba mama me papa wutie me. Ghana wo we sebe na enye se nkoda ni nimu ade o. Because so hwe ye mood a ye di steady na ye sua ade ankasa. Nshiraba welcome. But esan say nesika na eni ho ntino ye no bebre ye ntumi anko die se wo papa ye kwakwahwe